Okay, so I got to the instructions and it says to install the top clamp, which I'm assuming is this, and again nothing's labeled. I'm pretty sure these go like that. It doesn't say anything about removing this or these on either side. So again, one of those things where no idea how deep I have to go to put this together.